Struggling with sneezing, itchy eyes, or a runny nose? Constantly dusting your home? Your air ducts could be hiding something worse: dust mites. These tiny pests leave behind droppings that can trigger severe allergies and asthma. Did you know that home air ducts can accumulate 40 pounds of droppings, dust, and debris each year? Imagine breathing that in every day. At MCS, our NADCA certified team will inspect and clean your air duct system thoroughly, improving your home's overall air quality. First, a professional cleaning specialist will perform a walkthrough of your home, inspecting your entire duct system, including your dryer vent. After the inspection, our technician will use a method that puts your home's entire system under negative pressure. Using air whips and special tools, our tech will provide a deep clean of your entire air duct system, including cleaning of your blower and coil and disinfecting of your system. Not only does this process improve your home's air quality, but it will allow your system to run much more efficiently, saving you money. Breathe better, and remember, when you see the badge, you know it's Marshall Clean. It's time to take a bite out of grime. Contact us today. Visit marshallcleaningservice.com or call 865-414-9537 to learn more.